Hey guys, so today I finally had a chance to see the all-new 2015 BMW M4. A lot of you have been asking for an in-depth review of the M4, so here it is. Plus I will also do a test drive of the M4 and will tell you how it performs. Now for the new 2015 BMW M4, the V8 is no longer available, but you'll get the 3-liter BMW M twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder, pushing out 425 horsepower and a generous amount of torque, 406 pound-feet of torque. We'll see how it performs and drive, and how fast it can get from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The first time I see the M4, my first impression was like, wow, it's nice. And the feeling of I gotta have it in my mind tells me that this car is going to be something everyone that loves performance car want to have, or at least want to drive. The tested model we have today comes with the M double clutch transmission with drive logic. This 7-speed M double clutch transmission is integrated with launch control and guarantee optimal acceleration from a standing point with better value that can be achieved with a manual gearbox. The smoky burnout function allows a certain amount of rear wheel lift while the vehicle is moving. This new M4 here is amazing. You can actually feel the torque pushing your back to the seat. It's such a nice feeling. I don't know how it will perform on the track, but this one here is going to be hell of a ride. I'm talking about daily driving this thing. It's going to be so much fun, especially with the 7-speed M double clutch transmission. You can also use the paddle shifter at any time you wish. I gotta tell you, I've already fallen in love with it. Anyone see this machine coming from their rear view mirror, they better get out the way, because it do have the power to pass you. Alright, let's make a turn here and we'll see how it will accelerate one more time. I'm telling you, this thing has power. It gets from 0 to 60 or maybe 80 in no time. I'll try to find a spot where I can do from 0 to 60 and see how long it will take from 0 to 60 for you guys. And the gearbox does feel really nice too. Alright, look like we get into the red light. I'll try to accelerate here. Đợi canh đèn xanh nói dừng. Alright, we'll try another 0 to 60 here. Gets to 60 in no time. And it's only in second gear. Now this model does have launch control, but I didn't use it. With launch control activated, it will be even quicker. Alright, so 0 to 60 is in about 4.1 seconds. Alright, now it's time for an in-depth review. let me get it back where it belongs and we'll start on the review. The 2015 BMW M4 is a brand new vehicle added to the M line for BMW this year. It is a replacement for the M3 Coupe. The M3 will only comes as a 4-door sedan this year. The BMW M4 is a high-performance version of the 4 Series, built by Motorsport division of BMW. It was introduced as a concept car back in August 2013. BMW split the 3 Series Coupe and convertible models to the 4 Series. To further differentiate with the 3 Series sedan, the M4 replaces M3 Coupe and M3 convertible models. Upgrade over the standard 4 Series include more powerful and responsive engine, improved handling, suspension, braking system, aerodynamic body enhancement, and interior-exterior accents with the tricolor M Sport emblem. The engine uses 2 monoscroll turbocharger with a maximum boost amount of 18.1 psi. The power is rated at 425 horsepower with a curb weight of 3,530 pounds for manual transmission, thanks to its lightweight body structure. The M4 body was made up with carbon fiber reinforced plastic throughout the car, including drive shaft, roof bow, trunk, and front strut brace. For the first time in the M vehicle, an electric power steering unit is used. The steering system will be specifically tuned for M3 and M4 models. The all-new BMW M4 sets the standard for performance coupe and has something for every driver: performance, power, and style. The model I have here today comes loaded with options. One I like to mention first is the Lightning package that comes with the adaptive full LED headlights, including automatic high beams. Adaptive full LED headlights project an intense white light that simulate daylight for excellent visibility, while the automatic high beams let you enjoy the convenience of switching between high and low beam automatically. When the system is activated, an image sensor at the back of the rearview mirror monitor oncoming traffic and lightning conditions, and based on the data, the system will decide whether or not high beam should be switched on. When it detects vehicle ahead or the sensor indicate that ambient light is sufficient, the high beam are automatically switched off. The aerodynamic front bumper and grille makes the M4 stand out from others. Very nice. There is the cornering light. This particular model comes with 19-inch double-spoke black light alloy wheel with mixed performance tire. Behind the wheel is the set of M carbon ceramic brakes, which is an upgraded option. It provides an exhilarating driving experience, and braking power is applied precisely in all weather conditions. Also, the large M brake caliper finished in gold with M lettering on it for faster stopping. And here is the M4 specific fender. Looks really nice. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. Alright, the roof panel is made of all carbon fiber. Looks really nice. The rear also comes with 19 inches wheel as well as the large ceramic brake disc with the large brake caliper finished in gold with M Sport lettering on it as well. Looks really nice. To the back, you see the M4 logo, which further differentiate the M4, and the full LED tail lamps, LED brake lamps, as well as LED turn signal lamps. At the bottom, you see the rear diffuser that frame the quad round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. Looks really nice. The aerodynamic rear bumper makes the M4 look very aggressive from behind. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And here's the look at the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And on top here you have the third LED brake light. There is a look at the ducktail spoiler, which is integrated into the trunk lid. Looks really nice. Alright, on the remote I have the unlock, lock, trunk open and panic buttons. Looks and feel really nice. Alright, the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Alpine White, featuring a full black merino leather interior, as well as dark wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Looks really nice. The seats does come with white contrast stitching all around. Alright, let's jump into the car, start it up, and see how it sounds. Alright, with your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Okay, let's pop the hood and see what the M4 have to offer. Alright, under the hood is a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder BMW M twin power turbo engine with high precision injection, direct injection with Valvetronic and double vanos variable valve control, 7-speed M double clutch transmission, pushing out 425 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 156 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 24 highway, and 19 combined. Very impressive. And there is the beautiful carbon fiber built into the engine. Very nice. Alright, let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Alright, here's the look at the driver's side door panel. Frameless windows. Black leather with white contrast stitching, as well as dark wood trims. Looks really nice. Alright, both windows are fully automatic. And there you have your side view mirror control. Side view mirror does have folded options. Looks very nice. And there's the storage compartment. And this model does come with the Harman Kardon surround sound system. Alright, here you have the M Sport aluminum door shield. Very nice. And there's the pedals with the M Sport kick right there. And here you have the hood release latch. pull it twice to open the hood, and there's the trunk release button. And here's a closer look at the seat. Like I mentioned earlier, it does come with white contrast stitching. And there you have the M Sport emblem. Looks really nice. And here you have the 3 or 4 perforated sections on the seat. Alright, both front seats feature 10-way power front M Sport seats with single piece back panel, 4-way power lumbar support with power adjustable side bolster and backlit M logo on backrest. Includes memory system for driver seat and outside mirror, 2 positions. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather. Looks and feels really nice. Also comes with the specific M stitching, blue and white contrast stitching, looks really nice, and the M Sport logo at the bottom. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. And here's a look at the instrument cluster. Here you have the up and down paddle shifter, just in case you want to drive in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And here you have your windshield wiper controlled, and the high beam and turn signal light controlled here. And this particular model also comes with the heated steering wheel options. Just press that button to turn on heated steering wheel. Here you have your driver's side air vent, light controlled, fog light, and the instrument light controlled. Here is the heads-up display and the dash. Looks really nice. And the large multimedia screen looks really nice. This particular model comes with Harman Kardon surround sound system. The Harman Kardon surround sound system uses vehicle-specific equalizing and a powerful 600 watt amplifier to deliver powerful, high current, ultra-wide bandwidth, and the result is a scintillating audio performance that pumps the highest definition soundtrack to the open road. Alright, once you put the gearbox into reverse, the backup camera will display on the multimedia screen with guidance line for an easier backup, and the line will also move as you turn the wheel. Alright, pull it over to the right, and you can move it up or down to change gear. Very easy to use. Alright, here you have your traction control off, different driving mode, and the park assist button right there. Alright, and here's the control to the infotainment system, as well as the multimedia system. Just turn the knob around to move around screen. Or you can either press it up, down, right or left, or press down to select, like such. Alright, very easy to use. And there is your parking brake. And here you have the center storage compartment with USB and auxiliary input. Over here you have the ashtray and the 12-volt power outlet and 2 cup holder. Alright, here you have the glove box compartment. And here is a closer look at the seat. Seats look really sporty. And here's the look to the back. Alright, the dash have beautiful trims, wood trims and aluminum trims. Dual climate controlled. Alright, on top you have the BMW emergency roadside assistance, air backlight, light controlled. Alright, here you have the 3-button universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder, alright, now let's get into the back seat and check it out. Just pull the lever right there to get access to the back seat. The rear seats offer seating for 2, and seats does offer split folding options. You can fold the seats in 60 or 40 split for an additional cargo space. Rear seats look really nice. Alright, let's see how it feels in the back. I'm 5'8", with the seats back all the way. I still have plenty of leg rooms. And here's the look to the front cabins. Looks very sporty. Right down here you have the dual air vent for the rear passenger, as well as the 12-volt power outlet. Right up here you have the hanger for your clothes, and here's the light controlled for the back. Rear passenger also have control of the seat. They can move it up, down, slide it toward or down. It feels really comfortable in the back, even though it is a coupe, but still have a lot of leg rooms. Really nice. Alright, to get out, just pull the lever, push it up. Alright, let's check out the trunk now. See how much cargo space the trunk have. Just press that button one time and the trunk will open. Alright, the trunk offers about 13 cubic feet of cargo space. And like I mentioned earlier, both rear seats do fold down, just in case you need more cargo space. Here you have the 12-volt power outlet in the trunk. Here you have your tool. And down here you have your pump for your tires. Very nice trunk for a coupe. Alright, the gas cap is located on the passenger side. Just push it once to open, and it does require premium unleaded fuel only. And the tanks hold approximately 15.8 gallons of fuel. Overall, the new 2015 BMW M4 is a new kid on the block and is a head-turner. It offers all luxurious performance, style, and most importantly, it has plenty of power. It could be a vehicle that you want to drive daily and will sure have a lot of fun with it. It is aggressive from outside and sporty on the inside. A very nice vehicle. Alright, let's take a seat on the passenger side and see how it feels. It does have a lot of leg room and does feel really comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys like it. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like the new M4. Also follow me on Facebook for exclusive information about the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.